Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain GST, which means Goods and Service Tax. You must understand, in case of intra-state. Intra-state means same state. If transaction goes on in the same state, in that case, you have to find two types of taxes for state. For state GST, it is called SGST, and for the central it is called CGST for central. Two types taxes we find. If rate of GST is R%, then for both it will be R by 2%, and this will also be R by 2%. Matlab it will be half. Okay. Apart of this, if there is interstate, in that case it means it is not in the same state, it is in different state. Transaction goes on in different states. In that case, we find only integrated GST, IGST, for central government only. Okay? It goes for central government. So this you have understood, I think. Now going to explain one question. Always remember, first I am telling you one, I am just giving you one example, like suppose at first point manufacturer is there. Then second point, suppose dealer or shopkeeper or retailer is there. At third point there will be customer. Okay, there will be customer. So what we have to do, at first point manufacturer is there, he will pay all input tax. Means you have to find here input tax for the shopkeeper. Whatever shopkeeper paid the tax, means he will pay whatever tax paid by this dealer or shopkeeper. Okay, it will go from this side. For shopkeeper we find input and output taxes, and consumer pays only to the shopkeeper. Okay, to the shopkeeper. I have not written shopkeeper. Okay, he will pay to the consumer. So now I am going to tell you what shopkeeper will do. Now in case of shopkeeper, he will pay to the manufacturer, that is called input tax, and he will take from the consumer, that is called output tax. Okay, so what is input tax? Input tax, whatever we find, means SGST, CGST और IGST, कुछ भी हो, ठीक है. Input tax will be tax on his CP. Clear? Input tax will be on his CP. Then we find output tax. Output tax we find for the shopkeeper only who is purchasing or selling, is known as subsequent sellers. Okay, subsequent sellers are those sellers who are purchasing and then selling to his customer. So now output tax will be same as, means SGST or CGST or IGST in case of interstate. This will be the tax on his SP, and whatever difference comes, that difference, okay, this difference means output tax minus input tax he pays to the government. This he pays to the government. Clear? So this way we find, this is the concept of GST. And then at last it goes to the consumer. What consumer will do? Going to tell you that also. Okay. Consumer will pay amount paid by customer equals to क्या होगा? It will be last SP, means shopkeeper, whatever's, and plus SGST plus CGST, या तो ये होगा और या फिर प्लस होगा IGST, otherwise this he will pay. Clear? Okay, this way he will pay. Now taking one question and telling you how it happens. Taking question number 2, in which all sales are intra-state, same state. Okay. Or I think I should tell you this question number third I am telling, because in this manufacturer is there, then wholesaler is there, then trader is there, and then trader sells to consumer. So this is a little bit long chain, so I am telling you. At first point manufacturer, then there is a wholesaler, then there is a trader, and then there is a consumer. This is the selling chain. So manufacturer sells means selling price for manufacturer is given rupees 15,000. ठीक है, 15,000. Rate of GST is 12%. Rate 12%. It means SGST 6% and CGST also 6%, because intra-state is there, same state, transaction is going on in the same state. Now he sells to the wholesaler, so his cost price will be rupees 15,000. इसका हो गया. Next, wholesaler sells it to trader at a profit of 1,200. So profit made by wholesaler is rupees 1,200. Profit कितना है? It is rupees 1,200. Okay. Now what will be selling price? selling price will be, you added 1200 means 1200. So 16,200 will be the selling price. ठीक है. Okay, 200 and 1000 more. So 15,000 plus 1000, 16,200 is selling price. Now, what will happen? He will pay some tax, but right now I am going to tell you what trader will do. Trader sells it to a consumer at a profit of 1800. So trader is paying, means cost price to him is rupees 16,200 and profit made by him rupees 1800. It means he will sell the article rupees at rupees 16,500 plus this. Okay. So 16,500, sorry, 16,200. 16,200 plus 1800. So it will be coming 0. It means rupees 18,000 he is paying. Who? Consumer will pay. So consumer will pay rupees 18,000 and plus SGST and plus CGST. CGST. Clear? Consumer will pay this amount. So now I am going to calculate stepwise. First question, GST paid by shopkeeper to the central government. Okay. Sorry. Third question is amount received by the state government from the wholesaler. Wholesaler, this. He will give only difference, So find out output tax and input tax. Or you can find directly on the profit. It is same. If all are in the same state or all are in the different states, in that case we can find directly on the profit also. So we can find it. Either you find out output tax minus input tax. Okay, first I am telling you by output tax minus input tax. Output to the central, है ना? State government, sorry. State government के लिए क्या होगा? It will be SGST. Find out output SGST will be on rupees 16,200. 6% on 16,200. So this will be rupees 972. 972 rupees is output SGST. Input SGST. You can find 6% of same input SGST will be on the cost price 15,000. It is 900. So it means difference is coming rupees 972 minus 900 equals to rupees 72. So rupees 72 only he will pay to the state government. Clear? Rupees 72 he will pay. Now amount of tax received by the central government from the trader. Same way we can find from the trader also. Or here I am telling directly by the profit only. So difference will be coming tax on the profit. Tax means central government, central government. So CGST. We are finding directly we can find 6% on the profit, 1800. So it is coming rupees 108. So rupees 108 will go from the trader. Okay. Now going to tell you the third part is the amount that consumer pays for the machine. I have told you consumer will pay 18,000. We will write consumer will pay rupees 18,000 plus SGST, and its SGST will be on rupees 18,000 at 6%. Okay, so we can find 6% of 18,000, it will come rupees 1080. Okay, you can find it, and again 1080. On adding you can get it 18, so it will be okay, so it will be, you can add 18,000 and it is 1080, so it will be coming 1600 20,160. So this will be 20,160. Now going to tell you what will happen when two transactions are there, two types of transactions, intra and inter, or inter and intra. That I am going to tell you what to do in that type question. Okay. Always remember, if suppose manufacturer, then wholesaler, then consumer are there, and between these two it is inter, and then between these two there is intra, means these are in the same state and this is in different states. In that case, what to do? You know very well, here IGST is applicable and here SGST and CGST both are applicable, you know very well. So what you have to find for this shopkeeper or wholesaler? He will pay, you know, the difference. You will find the difference equals to, difference will be paid to which government in this case? To state government. Okay. Which is state government? State government of wholesaler to consumer, this only. Clear? Okay. And in case if first is intra, first transaction is intra and plus then it is inter, in that case same way, whatever difference will be there, it will be paid to the central government. This you have to keep in your mind. Okay. So for example, I am telling one more question in which this type transaction is going on. Question number 10 in this book. Okay. So now cost price to the shopkeeper which is in Delhi purchases an article for rupees 24,000 at and he sells at a profit of 15%. So 15% of 24,000 will be 3,600. Okay. 3,600 we will add to 2,400. So 27,600 is the selling price. Okay. He will pay output IGST. Okay. Output IGST only. Output tax means output IGST, that will be on 24,000 at the rate of, it is given 12%. So we will find directly 12% on rupees 24,000. 2 zeros will go. Okay, so it is coming 2,880. Input tax means input tax will be SGST plus CGST. Both we will calculate at the rate of 66%. You know very well. तो 6% of 27,600 calculated. It is coming 1656. So it means 1656 and plus again 1656. So this will be total 3312. This is coming. Okay. So difference will find, and difference of taxes will be rupees 3312 minus 2880. We will calculate 3312 and 2880 to this will be 3 and this will be 4. 432 is difference. 432. Clear? So I was saying this 432 he will pay to which government? I told you. पहले क्या है? Interstate and then intra. So this will go to the Delhi government. He will pay this money to the Delhi government. So now coming to the question, what amount consumer pays? Consumer will pay rupees. Okay, so it will be 27,600 and plus 1656 total amount. This you know very well. This was coming 3312. So 27600 3312. We will add 29. So 3912 is coming. Okay. So consumer will pay this amount 3912, I think. Okay. So this was the second part, 3912. Second part, what amount consumer pays for the article. First part is price inclusive of tax at which wholesaler bought the article. Wholesaler bought the article. Okay. Actually it must be shopkeeper, not wholesaler. Okay. You cut it and write down for shopkeeper. Shopkeeper will bring at what price I am telling you. Shopkeeper will bring rupees 24,000 and plus 12% of 24,000. So this was coming to 880 plus 24,000. Total will be 8806. Means 26,880 पे लाया होगा. It means this only. Am I clear? I think. Okay, now I am telling you the third part. In the third part, what you have to find, I am telling you. In the third part, we have to find amount of tax received by the state government. State government means state government of Delhi only. The state government of Delhi, what amount of tax will be received by Delhi government? So I have told you shopkeeper will pay rupees, he will pay rupees 432. It was coming 432, I told you. Okay, 432 was coming. So he will pay rupees 432 difference, which I already told. And amount of state government कितना मिलेगा? The state government will get this much money. Now amount of tax received by the central government. Central government का कितना आएगा? I am telling you. For the central government, you will find he will pay whatever shopkeeper has paid. Shopkeeper has paid rupees 2880. Wholesaler will pay this amount. Plus shopkeeper will not pay any amount because he has already paid to the wholesaler. Wholesaler will pay this amount. This you have to understand. So total tax received by the central government will be tax received by the central government will be rupees 2880. This much amount central government will get. Okay. So this was the fourth part. Okay, so I think you have understood everything. This way only you have to solve the questions. Always remember, same way if there was inter plus intra, then from subsequent shopkeeper will pay only डिफरेंस टू द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, ये स्टेट को जाएगा, ठीक है. एंड इंट्रा प्लस इंटर के केस में, इन दिस केस इट विल बी अपोजिट, मीन्स इट विल गो टू द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. क्लियर दिस डिफरेंस ओनली. So this much is sufficient, I think, to understand. Thank you so much.